Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EASU-Weather here with a severe weather update. Here's the day one outlook. We have two areas where we have a margin risk for severe weather today. We have one margin risk area today that covers southeastern Virginia, most of North Carolina, most of South Carolina, eastern Georgia, and northeastern Florida. That's where we have one of the margin risk areas. And we have the other margin risk area today that covers southeastern Wyoming, the far southwestern corner of South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern half of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. Going to the tornado threat for today, it is less than 2% in all areas. So there's not really a tornado threat for today. Don't really update on me, but there's no risk areas for an isolated tornado from the Storm Prediction Center today. Though you can't rely on an isolated tornado entirely, there is no risk areas for an isolated tornado today. So, going to the wind, we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One that covers southeastern Virginia, most of North Carolina, most of South Carolina, eastern Georgia, and northeastern Florida. Going back here, we have the other area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers far southeastern Wyoming, west central Nebraska, eastern half of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. Now going to the hail threat for today, with a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southeastern Wyoming, the far southwestern corner of South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern half of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, the north central panhandle of Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. So, going into the summary for today, strong to isolated severe thunderstorms are possible over parts of the southeast and central to southern high plains, mainly from mid-afternoon to evening. So, that's today's outlook. Going to the day 2 outlook, we don't have any risk areas for severe weather tomorrow. So the Storm Prediction Center does not have any risk areas for severe weather on Sunday, which is tomorrow, for the day 2 outlook. So, going to the summary, it says severe thunderstorm potential is expected to be low on Sunday. So, there could still be thunderstorms in the green areas, which is the light green areas, which is where with the general risk for thunderstorms, but there's not even a margin of risk tomorrow. That could change in future forecasts, however, but for right now, as of the day 2 outlook, there is not any risk for severe weather on Sunday. Again, that could change in future forecasts, so I'll keep you updated. But anyway, even though today's just a margin risk area, there could still be some isolated severe weather, so don't let your guard down today. So, stay safe in those affected areas anyway, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.